Hello everyone, welcome to TechieQA channel and welcome to Selenium Python automation. So in this video we are going to see how to install Selenium module. Okay, so the command for installing Selenium module pip install Selenium. So pypi.org. In this website, like a Maven, if you know Maven, like a Maven, we have to find the dependency, right? So here we have to find the command for each module. So for Selenium, this is a module I copied. So I can go to command prompt. I have to enter pip install Selenium. Okay, so it will work actually, but some people will face some issue for installing a Selenium with pip. Pip command itself will not work. It will say invalid command or command not found, something like that. So for that purpose, you have to do sudo ec install pip. When you do, it will ask your password. So once you enter the password, it will be done. Okay, anyway this is not required. So I have anyway pip install. If you guys have not installed, you have to do like sudo ec install pip. This is for Mac. For what about for Windows? What about you no need to install anything, but you have to set a path till scripts actually. So in Python home, we have set till the root directory, right? For accessing pip, we have to set till scripts. Then pip command will be enabled. So once that is done, you just go back to command prompt or terminal. Just copy your command pip install Selenium. Just enter it. So if you didn't enter, what will happen? We have created our first program, right? Okay, you just remove it. When you do from Selenium, when you are trying to import Selenium, it won't show Selenium as a suggestion, or after entering Selenium also it will show some red mark kind of error. Okay, I have already installed, so it won't show for me. Yeah, so even for me it's showing. Okay, I have to import WebDriver. Now it's not showing, but when you try to write this line without installing Selenium module, you won't able to install actually. It is like a dependency. In Java, how you do the dependency thing, in Python we have to install the module actually. So once you're done, just enter, it will install. It will install, it will say it's completed. I have already installed, already satisfied, something is coming. These are all warning, you don't need to worry about it. Okay, so we have installed and Selenium successfully installed. We are able to access the Selenium. That's it guys. So we'll see in next video how to create our small script. If you're able to access Selenium, we are almost done, 90% done on the setup things. So let's see some more like how to run the script, like how to create a small script and run in next video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel for more videos. If any doubt, please add into comments.